Hello viewers, you're welcome to another SMC tutorial video, and in today's video we'll be guiding you on how to navigate through the Pepe Mining Bot. So before we get started in today's video, if you find our video helpful, kindly purchase our educational token WikiCat, which is built on the Binance Smart Chain network, and the contract address will be pinned in the description below this video. So let's get started. The Pepe Mining Bot is also a Telegram cloud mining app, and you can use and mine the Pepe coin for free. The app also gives us the leverage to withdraw the Pepe coin at the end of the farming season. So it's important for us to get into this mining bot and mine as much Pepe coin as possible. So what you'll be needing for this Pepe mine is your Pepe link and your Telegram account. So I'll be getting my reference number and to redirect you to your Telegram account. Okay, here we'll go. So you start farming. Here, so this is the overview of the Pepe Mining Bot. This is the overview of the Pepe Mining Bot. So to receive, you will click on the receive. At the end of every mining season, it actually counts 4 hourly. So after 4 hours, you mine, you go through into your accumulated token. Then the next thing we need to note is to know that we have a withdrawal aspect. At the time of withdrawal, it's easy for us to just fill in our withdrawal and decide to transfer the money to another safer wallet. Then we also have our invite. This gives you the opportunity to actually copy your link and send to friends. We also have send. We have seal for page, but for now I have only 2466 Pepe coins, so I need to mine more. If you can see, there are other floors. We have floor 2, floor 3, floor 4, floor 5. If you are able to add more friends and get diamond, you can actually push yourself from one floor to another. And if you're able to push yourself from one floor to another, it also increases your hash rate. So in floor 2, your hash rate is +2. So you'll be mining 2 Pepe coin per second. So that's just how it goes. So if you're able to get about 5 friends, you go down to floor 5 and you're mining at 5 Pepe coin per second. So here is the community, the friends community. You can always see your downlines here for Pepe miner. You can always see your downline. So that is majorly everything you need to know about the Pepe miner. You just keep mining and claiming your coin every 4 hours. You just mine, claim your coin, so you always keep check. I hope this video was helpful. Do well to drop in any question in the comment section. Like our page, subscribe, and turn on your post notification for more educative content. Thank you very much and see you in our next video.